We sum the number of observations. We sum the observations, then we divide by the number of observations. In this case, we are going to make use of a symbol. It stands for summation. That means you add all these numbers we have here, then you divide by the number of times you see them. Let's continue. This will give us our x bar, which is the mean. Another name for mean is average, which is equal to 3 plus 4. 4 occurs 2 times, plus 2 times 4, plus 5 occurs only once, plus 10 occurs twice, so 2 times 10, plus 11 occurs twice, 2 times 11, plus 13 occurs twice, 2 times 13, plus 17, which occurs only once. Then we divide by the number of observations. The number of observations we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We divide by 11. And this will give us This will give us 3 plus 2 times 4 gives us 8 plus 5 plus 20 plus 22 plus 2 times 13 gives us 26 plus 17 all over 11 over 11, which will be equal to, if we take 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8 gives us 11, 11 plus 5 gives us 16, 16 plus 20 gives us 36, 36 plus 22 plus 26 plus 17. Let's perform the addition. 6 plus 2 gives us 8. 8 plus 6 gives us 14. 14 plus 7 gives us 21. So we are going to write down 1. We carry 2. 3 plus 2 gives us 5. 5 plus 2 gives us 7. 7 plus 1 gives us 8. 8 plus 2 gives us 10. So this will simply give us 101 divided by 11. And this will give us, if we make use of a calculator, 101 divided by 11 will be equal to, in this case, I will give the answer to 2 decimal places. We are simply going to obtain 9.18. So this will be the mean. Then the next part of the question says we should find the interquartile range. The interquartile range for D, we know that the interquartile range is simply equal to the upper quartile which is denoted by using cure 3 minus the lower quartile, which is denoted by using cure 1. Now we need to locate the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So we are going to take Since we have succeeded in getting the median, which divides the data